welcome to this getting started video of the new entry-level intro-industrial VGA thermography camera Xi640. This new motorized long wavelength infrared camera has a temperature range from -20°C up to 900°C and an IP rate of 67. The camera has a resolution of 640 x 480 pixels and a thermal sensitivity of 80 millikelvin. With a speed up to 32 Hz, the camera can be used in an ambient temperature from 0°C up to 50°C without any cooling accessories. You can select between different optics as the 22°, 36° or 65° optics. Let's open the box and have a look to the scope of supply. In the package you can find the Xi640 infrared camera, the mounting nut and the mounting bracket, which are already pre-installed. The mounting bracket has a standard tripod thread, so you can also mount the camera on a stand. You will find the 1 meter USB cable to connect the camera with the PC and one standard process interface cable with a terminal block. One USB stick, which includes the complete software package PixConnect and also the calibration files for the camera. And finally, you can find a quick start guide which shows you the first installation steps. For the signal processing, you can use the Xi640 with different operation modes. The delivered standard process interface has one analog input, one analog output, and one digital input channel. For more input and output possibilities, you can also use the optional industrial process interface, which provides you 3 analog outputs or 3 digital outputs, 2 analog inputs, and 1 digital input channel. In addition, a fail-safe indication gives you immediately a signal if the connection is interrupted. With the provided process interface, you can have an analog or digital communication between the Xi640 and, for example, a PLC or a multimeter. With the optional provided USB gigabit server, you can integrate the Xi640 also in a network using a direct point-to-point communication or a communication via a server. For harsh environments, there are some possibilities to save the camera. The laminar air purge with the integrated protective windows ensures that the camera has all the time a clear view. The shutter can be used to save the lens if unexpected parts are falling down in direction of the lens. Regarding this case, the shutter closes immediately within 100 milliseconds. If the ambient temperature is too high, the camera can be cooled with a water-cooled housing for ambient temperatures up to 250°C. A combination of all accessories is possible. The longer designed water-cooled housing can be now used for all Xi models. For outdoor applications and ambient temperatures from -40 up to 50°C, you can also use the outdoor protective housing, which includes the Xi camera and, as option, a visual camera. To integrate the outdoor protective housing in an Ethernet network, the optional USB server can be used. Keep the overview with a high resolution and a sharp image of the new Xi640. Don't miss it and get it now!